random dad stuff. Yeah.
So maybe he should not be last.
We're getting ready to leave
Yeah.
Bere. We'll go on the motorcycles for a couple hours and then on the bus. We survived the motorcycles. Wasn't too bad. It was actually pretty smooth. And now we are on the fancy curtain bus.
Yeah.
We're finally headed home. What are your thoughts?
Well, it's all perspective. See, on the way here, I thought our flights were terrible. But then I experienced packing 7 people in a cab. And then I experienced an 8-hour bumpy bus ride. And then I experienced a 2-hour bumpy Land Rover ride. And then I experienced a 2-hour motorcycle ride, and then another bus ride, and then another pack in the car. And so the flights actually seem quite enjoyable after all that.
Okay guys, we made it back.
Back in the USS.
How is it to be back in the USA?
Hallelujah.
Excited for a hot shower?
Hot shower, and you got like 4 layers of dirt to get off.
It's true. It's been so long since we had a hot shower.
Which, hot showers are overrated anyway.
No, they're not.
Because hot showers just
Are
ruin your
amazing.
skin.
No.
Anyway, we're back.
I might even take a bath.
Ooh,
Soap somewhere. Can we stop at Publix and get some
No.
more soap?
no soap. Well, now that we are finally back home and enjoying our luxurious lifestyle, comparatively, we're planning to go back next year already, hopefully. So, for now, I've got a whole bunch of video footage to look through and put together stuff. I've got some actual videos of what we did there in Chad and the work we did at the hospital and some of those things. So I'm working on putting all that together, and hopefully you guys will stay tuned and learn all about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.